Hey you guys, this is Tina Caul with Caul Group Residential, and today we're going to be talking about how important it is to be around a culture that wants to win. For me, our team has standards. We want to push, we want to produce, we want to grow, and we're very much the think big mentality. And so when you think about so many people, the cliche that you become the 5 people that you hang around with, sure, but my feeling is you become the group that you hang around with, who you associate with. And so we have built a team where our top producers, they grow so big and they stay on our team because they understand leverage. They understand what to do and who they need to become when no one else is looking. So it's one thing to be on a team or in an environment where you have to do it this way and you have to check in and check out and you have that accountability. But our team, we say, who are you becoming here? The other thing is that our agents understand that they pay us a portion of their commissions to put back into the business to operationalize the business. So they understand leverage. So a culture that wins understands the business mindset that you have to have leverage to win. You have to understand your dollar per hour activities and where you need to replace the ones that are not at your level of earning. The other thing is that a lot of people will say, and I've heard this on the streets, oh, all they do there is dial. And I think that's an interesting thing because we are salespeople. And yes, we do pick up the phone. And yes, we call our past clients. We call our open house, touch points. We do, invite people to things. We do call our leads. But at the end of the day, we know that we have so many different buckets. If you think about a circle, we've got the agent activities and their past clients in their sphere, their open houses and their prospecting efforts, which bring them 1 to 2 deals a month. But then on this side, we have the icing on the cake, and that's where Caul Group comes in with leverage, Zillow leads and Realtor.com leads, coaching and training and support, ISAs who make 85 to 100 appointments a month where our agents can go out and work with a client. So on each side of that spectrum, if you're selling 2 homes on your own here and 2 homes a month that Caul Group gives you, that's basically a plan to get to 40 to 50 deals a month. And that's what we want to see from our top producers. The culture that wins is the culture that has systems, processes, accountability, structure, support, training, you name it, we have it. And so I think that if you want to learn how to build a business that wins without the ups and downs in the business that's typical when you're on your own, reach out, click the link below, let's have a private conversation, and I promise you, you will get a lot out of that so you can make better decisions in 2026 and hit the goal that you've always been dreaming about.